Hello everyone, today I am explaining the pharmacology introduction. Okay, first of all I will tell here the pharmacology is the word derived from two Greek words. Two Greek words. Pharmakon. One is pharmakon. Is that means drug. Next another word logi means study or knowledge. Logi means study or knowledge. Yeah, right. Study or knowledge. Okay, understood. Knowledge. Yeah. After that, I will explaining the pharma also determining the drug. Okay, right. Actually, the pharmacology is the science of drugs derived from two Greek words. One is pharmakon, is the Greek word which means the drug, and logos, the Greek word for science, that is the study, that is the knowledge. Right. Thank you.